If you're new to mixing drinks, the last thing you want is a complicated, overpriced shaker that basically just leaks, sticks, or makes a mess everywhere. That's why I want you to check out the Magcheer Hybrid Cocktail Shaker, which I think is hands down, after my research, the best starter shaker out there on the market. It's easy to use, it's all in one, and at this price right here, you won't break your bar budget. Hey, welcome to another Dude Approved review with me, Wild, where a few minutes can help save you a few bucks. Let's dive right in. This shaker is so cool because it can get super cold with no condensation. This shaker is double wall vacuum insulated that keeps your cocktails ice cold without chilling your hands or leaving any condensation on the outside of the shaker, which means when you use this shaker, it won't get wet and slip out of your hands, making a mess all over your kitchen or your bar. Nothing worse than making a drink for a lady, the shaker gets wet, slips out of her head, and dings her right in the head. Not a good start to the date. Don't ask me how I know that. Now, like I said, this is a hybrid cocktail shaker, which means in the lid here, it contains the jigger with all the different measurements right here. And on the end of the cap, you can see the strainer. The integrated jigger measures everything from a ½ ounce all the way up to 9 ounces, while the built-in strainer ensures a smooth pour every single time. The built-in jigger is actually really cool. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do, but you know what? I lose my jigger all the time. So the fact that it's built in is actually really convenient. With a double thread twist, lock, and silicone gasket, it seals tightly every single time. No more frozen lids or spills. I probably should also mention that it takes like no effort to put it on, and it takes like no effort to take it off, which is nice. Now, this cocktail shaker right here is a premium cocktail shaker. It's made from stainless steel, but it avoids metallic aftertaste like you'll find in cheaper models. It also features a nice ergonomic profile. It's comfortable to grip and it fits perfectly within your hands. Not to mention, I also just like the sleek and modern design. The ladies will truly love it, and if you don't have any ladies in your life like me, hey, at least it'll look good in your home. God, I hope my bumble takes off. Now, this cocktail shaker holds a grand total of 30 ounces. 22 ounces in the body here and 9 ounces in the top, making it perfect for right around 2 to 3 drinks that you can make at once. The shaker also comes in 3 different colors: gold, gunmetal gray, and silver, like you see right here in my hand. Now, one reason this is one of the best buys you can make if you're really looking into getting a cocktail shaker is you're not just buying the cocktail shaker. You get a hybrid cocktail shaker, which means you get the shaker, the jigger, and the strainer all in one, but it also comes with a nice traveling case. Or if you just want to keep things organized within this case, you can. You get yourself a muddler, you get yourself 2 bottle pourers, you get yourself a bar spoon, and an extra gasket in case this one rips or just comes old over time. You get a full kit, which is super awesome. And you know what? You get all of this for right around 40 bucks. That's an awesome deal. Now, if you have money to burn, I would highly recommend paying up for the Elevated Craft Hybrid Cocktail Shaker, which is considered by many to be the best cocktail shaker on the market. But you know what? I wouldn't know because I'm not gonna spend $80 on a cocktail shaker. $40 is my wheelhouse. But you know what? Elevated Craft, if you're watching this video, feel free to send me one and I'll be more than happy to review it to see if it justifies the price. And if you think you want to get yourself this hybrid cocktail shaker, you can do me a huge favor. Use the links down below. Those links do help me out, so thank you very much. Now, if you're interested in more cocktails and libations, you should check out the video over to my side that goes over the Smoke Show Cocktail Smoker. I will see you all in that video over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next 1UP review.